Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, I upload sewing related videos like this one. If that is something that you're into, go ahead and watch some of my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my stuff. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I finally went to Savers and I'm so happy that I did because I found some fabrics that I can mess with and I can use as not only as muslin fabric but also as fabric to probably make like my first version of my collaboration outfit. So I am very excited. But first thing first, I am wearing McCall's M7610. I wanted a quick sew of these joggers and I like them. But yeah, it was a very easy pattern to sew. I thought it was going to be a little bit difficult, but no, McCall's M7610 was a breeze, and I might sew the small version next time instead of the medium, but I don't know. I like how loose it is, but yet fitting, and I used the $2 fabric from Walmart, so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you what I bought at Savers. And I actually went ahead also and bought some more $2 fabric at Walmart. So this is the first fabric, and it's like it looks kind of like whitewashed pink, but it's really like pink, but I guess this reminds me of kind of like toga. But I like it. I think it's cute. Maybe I could even use it as a lining for not only as muslin but also as a lining for my collab, because it is a one-way stretch. So this is a whopping 4 yards. So it's going to be great for many things because I usually need only about 2.5 yards to make like a nice poofy dress, but I think this is going to be awesome. Maybe I can make, now that I think about it, maybe I could make like matching dresses for me and my daughter. I'm not a fan of dresses, but I might, I might give it a try. But that would be cute because I think I have just the pattern, so maybe that's something that I can think about next month. And now I want to go ahead and change my mind and say that no, I don't really want to use this as muslin. The more that I think about the pattern that I have in mind and this color and this one-way stretch, the more I think of some possibilities of doing some cute matching things with it. And this cost how much at Savers? So it was $6, but again, I went on Monday, which is a half day, which means that this was actually $3. So $3 for a little bit over 4 yards of all of this really pretty pink one-way stretch fabric. It does feel like some sort of knit. But that's all I have for you. I'm sorry. This next one, so that goes straight to the floor. This next one I purchased because I thought it was really cute to make my daughter some t-shirts. My daughter is actually a fan of Ladybug. Here are all the ladybugs and stuff. If what is it? My daughter is a fan of Miraculous Ladybug. So when she saw this, she's like, "Oh, Miraculous Ladybug, Mom." And I was like, "Okay, you're cool, Let's make you some cute little t-shirts with this, or a cute little dress." I don't know. We'll see, but this is very cute. So that's 1 yard. So this is only 2 yards, so that's more than plenty of fabric for her tiny little body. And let me see, so this one doesn't have a tag and I don't know how much it was, but I think they just charged it as like $2.50 or $3, the same price as one of the other tags, or $1, which means that they only charged 50 cents for it. I don't know. So I mean, all right. You know, this is the last one that I purchased at Savers. It's this like red and white double stretch fabric. It's more stretch here. It's like 50% stretch in the width. It's like 50 and 50%, but the width right here is like a more easy stretch, and there's like little ribs on it. You see that? There we go. It's like a little, with, I think this would actually be considered a ribbed knit or a form, and it's very, it's not thin. It's not like super thin, but it does feel like, it feels thin but durable. You know what I mean? Like that medium thin. You know how there's like medium weight fabric, or like, is there like a medium lightweight fabric for knits? Let me know. Let me know. But it's these lines, and I have never sewn anything. Yes, I have. I think I have sewn things with stripes, but I've never paid attention to matching the stripes. So it'll be awesome to see if I have enough here to, let me see how much I have. Because if I have enough here, it'll be cool to try and attempt to match the stripes, just because it's a little pet peeve of my own whenever, you know, stripes don't match. So it's a little bit over 2 yards, but the width isn't as thick. See, the width isn't as, or maybe it is, it's about a yard and a half of width. And this was $3.99, which is $4, which equals $2. So $2 for a little bit over 2.5 yards of this red and white striped fabric. And then I purchased, it's so funny because I can already feel the Walmart fabric and how thin it is compared to that like ribbed red knit fabric. That red fabric feels like 3 to 6 times thicker than this. This feels very, very thin to me. So I purchased this for my first muslin attempt of the collab outfit that I have in mind. But yeah, this was only $2 for 2 yards. And then I also purchased this white fabric, $2 for 2 yards at Walmart, because I think this might be nice for the lining of my of the 2 fabrics that I have. But as I think about it, maybe this one would be a better lining, just because of the sequence needs to be lined, and maybe this would work as a better lining, as a, you know, a little bit of pink. I couldn't find gold. I can also, the pattern that I'm using, I could also just, you know, cut an extra front as lining, because I do think that I have enough, but we will see. I'm not fully sure. These also need to be washed, so I'll just move that along. And that is all that I have for you this week. We will see what I have for you next week, just because New Year's is coming up. Who knows when my collab video will pop up, but me and the person that are working on these projects, we are excited. Yes, but okay. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I will see you either in a few days, and if not, I'll see you again next week, Wednesday. Thank you again so much for watching, and don't forget to make it a great day, week, and month, so that you can have a great year. Bye.